Hello there and welcome. Before we start, let's recall the lesson from the previous video. If you may remember, it was about the formation of the plural in the English language and also about the countable and uncountable nouns. We said that countable nouns are nouns that can be counted. Therefore, it has the singular and plural form, while the uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted. That's why it has only the singular form. But we need something to help us count the uncountable nouns. That's when quantifiers come to the rescue. Quantifiers are words that tell us the number or amount of a noun. Here we have some of the most commonly used in the English language, and I know that you are familiar with most of them. But let's see which one can be used with countable, which one with uncountable, and which can be used with both. Like a lot of or lots of can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. The same goes with some, any, and some others. But we can see that some of them can only be used with countable nouns like a few and many, or a little and much, which can be used with uncountable nouns. A lot, lots of, few, and some can be used in the affirmative sentences, while not many and not much, and also any, can only be used in negative and interrogative form. Like the examples. How many visitors does she expect? Or, there aren't many apples. How much milk is there? There isn't much left. When it comes to the quantifier a lot, we know that from the table here, it can be used with affirmative sentences, both with countable and uncountable nouns. But we omit the preposition of when a lot or lots are not followed by a noun. Are there a lot of books? We see the case here, it's a noun. Yes, there are lots. Since there is no noun following, then we omitted the preposition of. When it comes to the quantifier few or few, there is a slight difference in usage. For example, a few means not many, but enough. There are a few apples in the fridge. I can make an apple pie. On the other hand, few without the article a means hardly any, which is not enough, and can be used with the word very for emphasis. Few people go to work by bike, or very few people. The same goes with the quantifier a little. A little means not much, but enough. He put a little money aside so as to go on holiday this summer, while little without the article a means hardly any, which is not enough. We've got very little time left. Hurry up. There are other quantifiers that can be used with countable nouns, like a couple of, several, both, a large number of, or a great number of, etc. There were several people at the meeting. But also, we've got other quantifiers that can be used with uncountable nouns, like a great deal of, a small amount of, a large quantity of, too much, etc. She has made a good deal of progress in her studies. As usual, we've got quantifiers that can be used both with countable and uncountable nouns, like no, hardly any, plenty of. There were no mistakes in his homework. The word mistakes in this case is countable, or he has no patience. Patience is uncountable. There are hardly any light bulbs in this shop. And the last one, we've had plenty of rain this year. Well, students, I hope I was clear enough. Until next time, thank you for watching.